Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today I'm joined by Buddy the Bird, and we are going to be creating our very own animated gift. Let's get started. To begin, we're going to start in Canvas Chrome. Go ahead and start a new drawing and create a simple background. I'm going to be creating what looks like a tree growing. So I did a green grass and a blue sky with two clouds. Next, I'm going to save this image. This is like the base image. Now I'm going to start my tree. To get brown, I'm going to do a little bit of orange and add a little tint to it and use the marker tool to create. Oh, let's hold on a second. I don't want to do that. First, I need to add a new layer. There we go. And then on top here, I'm going to start my tree. Simple little twig growing up. And let's give it one little leaf to start. Maybe one on this side. Two little leaves. There we go. So let's go ahead and save this image. So we are drawing a tree as if it's growing up. So we're going to continue to add more to the trunk and add to make the branches look a little longer. And then we'll also add two leaves as well. Let's add some more leaves, a little more green here, a little more green there. And let's save this image. There we go. And let's add some more to our trunk. What do you think, buddy? You like trees, right? Yeah, you like trees a lot. Keep getting taller, keep growing up. Maybe add to our branch, make it look like it's getting longer. There. And some more leaves. Be sure to continue to save your images as you're going through each layer of our tree. So save image. You want to do at least 4, 5. I mean, you can do more. You could be way more complex and do more for images. It's up to you. But I recommend doing a tree to start. You know, it's springtime right now. We've been learning about trees and nature and stuff. Let's see here. A few more leaves. Save image. If I wanted to go above and beyond, I could even like add flowers and then turn my flowers into what looks like fruit. That would be really cool. All right, so we have our tree here. Lots of little leaves. And let's do that. Let's go above and beyond, and we're going to add a new layer, and let's add some flowers. So let's go pink. Pink for our flowers. Save image. And then let's turn these flowers red to look like apples. Ooh, let's go. There we go. Right on top of that layer. Save image. And then just for fun, let's go ahead and erase one of our apples and redraw it on the ground below so it looks like it landed. Oh, and I want to give it a shadow. Let's do right there. Looks like it landed on the ground. All right, so save image. So I have like somewhere between 4 or 5, maybe even up to 10 different images to create my gift. Now we're going to go to giftmaker.me and we're going to start by adding our first image. So my image is saved to download, and we learned about saving our images and where they save to on our Chromebooks on Digital Art Day 1. So here's the first one. That first image is going to go ahead and change the canvas size for us. So don't worry about messing with those settings. Now I'm going to go through and start adding all of my different images. I'm so excited. This is one project I've been really looking forward to. I've been really trying to work our skills, practice different things so we would be able to learn how to do something this complex. All right, let's see, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, so let's run this one now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to 5. And I can see a sample of what my gift is looking like over there. Yay, so excited. What do you think, buddy? You like it? You like trees. I know you do. We got 2 more. Okay, and then last one. All right. Now I'm going to create gift animation. That's right down here. Click on that and give it a moment to process. Now just below here, we're going to click on View Gift. View the gift. So here it is here. Ah! Oh, I love it so much. Yes. Okay. I'm going to be sure to save this, and I'm going to call it Tree Grow. Yay. All right. So be sure to send me your GIF. That is that moving image that looks like something growing. I chose to do a tree. If you wanted to do something different, like a flower or something else, if you want to be more complex, you go for it. It is up to you. I'm so excited. This project, oh, that looks so cool. Let me go ahead and open it. Let's see how it looks. So here it is, my gift. Yay! Yes, 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 yes! Till next time, class, keep being creative.